Here is the sky. Here are my friends. And here am I. We acknowledge the traditional owners on whose land we play, discover and learn. Today we're going to read a book about how the birds got their colours. You will notice that I'm here with my Deadly Kindy friends, Willie and Joss, and we're keeping our 1.5 metre social distancing space. The book today is from Broome in WA. It's a Dreamtime story. So how the birds got their colours.
This is the story of how the birds got their colours. Long, long ago, in the Dreamtime,
when the land and animals were being made, all the birds were black, all one colour, till
one day a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big juicy grub.
ooh, what's going to happen next? Let's find out. But instead, he landed right on a sharp stick. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick.
For days, he lay on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up. He was dying.
Oh, poor little dove. All his mates gathered around to see how they could help. All except Crow. Uh-oh.
He just wandered around with his hands behind his back. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward and with her sharp beak...
What's going to happen next? Burst the little dove's swollen foot. Oh look, there's the parrot. There's the dove with the sore foot, but it's burst now. Let's see what happens next. Colours splashed out all over the parrot. Red and green and blue ran down her chest, wings and tail. Look how pretty the parrot is now.
It splashed out all over the other birds. Some got red, some brown, some blue, and some yellow. Some got spots, some got stripes. All got colours.
Ooh, do they mean that Crow might have got colours? He was standing away. All except for Crow, who was standing away from the others. Crow got no colours at all. Aww.
So that's how the birds got their colours.
Look at all the colourful birds. Wonder what happened to Duff. What do you think happened to Duff? And as for the dove, he soon got better, thanked the parrot, and was able to fly away. And that's the end of our story for today. Goodbye, everybody.